Hi there. We are going to continue talking about suffixes. So just as a review, a suffix is something that is added to the end of a base word. When you add a suffix to the end of the word, it changes the meaning of the word. So today we are going to talk about two different suffixes, ness and sion. So let's start out with ness. When you add ness to the end of a base word, it makes the word become a noun. And it also means state of being. So for example, if I start out with the adjective dark and add ness on the end of it, it becomes darkness. Okay? So darkness is an idea because when you add ness on the end of something, it becomes a noun, which is a person, place, thing, or idea. So darkness is an idea. So darkness would be the state of being dark. So what I want you to do now is I want you to work with your tables, and I want you to come up with at least 4 words that have the suffix ness on the end of it. I'll give you a couple seconds. Oh, I'm sure that you have come up with great words. Now we're going to move on to the suffix sion. The thing about sion is it can get kind of confusing because it has a couple different sounds that you can make. When you have shun, S-I-O-N, on the end of the word, it can make the sh sound, as in compassion, or it can make the z sound, as in conclusion. Okay? So when you add shun to the end of a word, it becomes a noun, sort of like ness. It becomes a noun. And it also means state of being, just like ness. So if I start out with the word confused, start out with the verb confuse, and add shun to the end of it, it becomes confusion. So it becomes a noun, and confusion would mean the state of being confused. So right now, what I want you to do is get with your groups, and I want you to come up with at least 4 awesome words that have shun on the end of them. I'll give you just a minute to do this. Welcome back. I see quite a nice list over there on that anchor chart. So, just to review us today, we went over the suffixes ness and shun. The great thing about this is if you come to a word with either of these suffixes on it, you're now going to know what they mean.